Your mom tell you that you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full? My gosh, we do it every day here at HSN. We can't help ourselves, all that delicious food. Good morning, everyone. My name is Brett Schuckerman. Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day. We're so glad to have you with us. We've got a phenomenal hour of smart home planned for you. We want to help you get the best technology in your home to equip that most precious and prized possession that you're in right now, comfortably, I hope. We're going to kick things off with truly a necessity item for everybody, for every single home, with a great big upgraded version. This is First Alert. They are our #1 provider of smoke detectors. But today, you are buying a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. You are buying a 2-in-1 product, and you're getting a 2-pack. And on top of that, it has a 10-year battery. No beeping and chirping at 3 o'clock in the morning, no grabbing a ladder and hoping you have a 9-volt battery set and the ready. You get a 10-year battery and a 10-year warranted product when you shop for First Alert. These are a customer pick because, quite frankly, they are just a better version of what so many homes have used for so long. They're going to upgrade your smoke alarms as well as give you carbon monoxide monitoring as well. And you are basically getting a huge deal compared with what you'll find elsewhere in retail. They run about $60 a piece everywhere else. Here at HSN, it's $90 for two. $10 off our already low price, 4 flexible payments and free shipping. Now, I know this may not be the first thing on your mind when you woke up this morning, but just stop for a moment and think. When was the last time you checked the smoke detectors in your home? Do you even have carbon monoxide monitoring in your home? Have the batteries started chirping at you? This is a better solution and a smart investment. Now, Lori Leland's going to join us. She's going to be with us through most of the hour today. I don't know how she's still standing after a big, huge Today's Special yesterday.
Very exciting.
But we were so thrilled to get this hour planned for today. You know, we start to think about everybody in our home, how we can make ourselves safer, how we can protect ourselves, our pets. You know, how many family members were over yesterday in your home? This is a great item for protection.
Well, and it's something, yeah, it really is. I mean, it's something a lot of us take for granted. Right. I mean, take a look throughout your home right now and take stock of what your smoke detectors look like. If they're yellowing with age, if they're starting to look a little bit gray, if you've hit them a few too many times with the broom handle, it is time to upgrade here today. And I was telling Brett, I was at one of those big stores where you improve your home the other day, and they had each one of these for $60. So this is like buy one, get one for half price. This is First Alert,
and you need more than one. I mean,
you do. Yeah. You need several for your home. You're getting 2 with this bundle here today. And with First Alert, it is that most well-known brand. It is so prestigious, so well thought of out in the industry because they're innovators. They come up with technology that's always pushing the envelope. So this is your carbon monoxide and your smoke detector. Now, what do you have around your home right now? Do you have some of the old clunky units? This is that carbon monoxide and this is smoke. Otherwise, you'd have to have 2 big clunky devices in your home to give you the same layer of protection that you're getting with your First Alert smoke and carbon monoxide. Now, take a look at this detector. It is sleek and sophisticated. There's a smart smoke entry design right here. You're going to have fewer false alarms. But when you get this home, you're not going to have to think about spending one other penny for the next decade on batteries. So that could put about $200 back in your pocket. And Brett's right. If you've ever heard that chirping in the middle of the night, I have no idea, but why do they always go off at 2, 3 in the morning?
3 o'clock in the morning.
Die? Always. Why is that?
Freaks the pets out. You have no idea where the 9-volt batteries are. Do you really want to go into the garage and try to find the ladder and deal with it? A lot of us, we hit that reset button and we just hope it never sounds again.
Right.
And smoke detectors, they have a shelf life,
They do have a shelf life. They only have a lifespan of about 10 years. So if you look around your home right now, if you only have one smoke detector in your whole house, you need to add to that smoke detector. If you have smoke detectors that you've never changed out and you've owned your home for more than 10 years, you probably need to start thinking about replacing your smoke detectors because they lose their efficacy over time. When you get First Alert home, this is going to give you the information that you need for your family to get out of your home in case of emergency. And this is going to speak to you. So I absolutely love this. We're going to set it off for you here in just a second, but this will let you know from 12 different locations that you preset where the problem is in your home. First Alert did a ton of research. They found that children are more likely to wake up when they hear the spoken word. Adults, we wake up when we hear the alarms, the loud chirping or chiming sounds. With First Alert, this actually speaks and tells you where the problem is so that it's more likely to wake up your children. So let's go ahead and set it off. It's really loud. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm a good friend. I'm warning you.
Everybody in the studio is ready. We're all ready.
You all ready? 85 decibels. So all you do is push and hold to test, and it says test. Then you're going to see lights flashing, so you have that visual cue as well. well. That's loud. It's doing its job.
Yep.
Evacuate. Smoke in kitchen. Evacuate.
And so this is telling you exactly where the problem is. And you're hearing that loud
And I
chirping
love that
chiming.
it tells you what room of the house, because most homes have more than one exit point.
Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in kitchen.
In the kitchen, so you know which direction to go and to get out.
Carbon monoxide level was 0.
Oh, good. I just want to make sure it's 0 in here. We just did a quick test. But yes, this helps you kind of circumnavigate around the problem so that you can get out of your home safely. So think about this. Carbon monoxide, the silent killer, it doesn't have an odor, it doesn't have a flavor. You just kind of start feeling like you have the flu. There are over 20,000 Americans each and every year that are hospitalized because of carbon monoxide. Now, the National Fire Protection Association says 3 in 5 home fire deaths, 3 in 5, happen in homes that don't have working smoke detectors, or you're underprotected by not having enough smoke detectors. By simply adding a couple here today, really, it's going to give your family a fighting chance for getting out of the house if something happens.
Well, and if you're in a rental, gosh only knows how old those smoke detectors are. I mean, if you've moved into this home in the last 5 years, the smoke detectors could be 30 years old. You know, rather than throwing batteries at it, rather than wondering if they're going to work, this truly is the most advanced, top quality product in the marketplace. Not only are you getting 2, you know, bedroom, kitchen, front of the house, back of the house, but you're getting both smoke and carbon monoxide monitoring in one device. So it's less maintenance, it's less replacement, it's got 10-year battery and a 10-year warranty. First Alert not only stands behind the life of the battery, but the life of the actual product itself. So $9 a year?
So affordable.
$9 a year, $4.50 a year per unit to protect you, your kids, your family members, your pets, giving yourself the best technology that exists today and doing it for the best price that we're able to offer it to you today. I know it's maybe not the most exciting purchase. It's not one you're gonna be dying to get in the mail, but I'll tell you what, when you put them in, you're gonna breathe a sigh of relief. It's a great purchase to make. We moved into a home recently, and it feels it's our new house, but it's not a new house. It was built in the 50s. I've been replacing all of them, and First Alert's the brand I'm using.
I did too. I moved into a new house about 3 years ago, but it was a 19-year-old house, so those smoke detectors all had to be replaced. I only had 2 to start with. We needed more than that. You're actually supposed to have one in every hallway leading up to every sleeping area and one in every bedroom. I always recommend have one near the kitchen where it leads out to the garage, because that's where a lot of fires start, near the laundry rooms where the vents get clogged with, you know, with all of that lint and dust. That's a great place to have a smoke detector as well. So put a few through your home. If you can just get 1 pack here today, this could help definitely save lives in case of an emergency. And with First Alert, you're gonna have fewer false alarms. This is called nuisance resistant technology. So the smart smoke entry design, the way this is handled, and the photoelectric technology simply means that that steamy shower won't set it off. If you know, burn the bacon and it's just lingering in the air for a few seconds, it's not going to set it off. If you hear this alarm go off, it's probably because you really and truly do have an issue in your home. There's a smart bracket that you mount onto the back of this, and then underneath that bracket, I just took the bracket away, there is that on and off power switch. Once you flip that switch to on, your 10-year counter starts. So you don't have to think about this. You literally set it and forget it. It's simple and easy to mount. All you need is a screwdriver, and it just takes a few minutes to do. And then think about all of the money that you save. You could be spending $200, over $200, depending on those specialty batteries that are required for the detector you have right now, or you know, these batteries, they could be $12 a piece. We've kind of gone with the moderate route here and said you could save up to about $200 between the 2 units that you are receiving here today. But again, think about it. If you've had that chirping go off in the middle of the night and you hit that smoke detector with a broom handle, you took out the batteries with the best of intentions of replacing them, but you never did. Your family is unprotected right now. When you get this First Alert home and you install it, you are protected for 10 years. You don't have to spend another penny. It will tell you when it needs to be replaced. Then you just take it down, replace it with a new one.
So do you want to hear a crazy story?
Sure.
When I lived in California, I used to work as a property manager, and we got a call at 4 o'clock in the morning from a tenant saying, there's a bomb in the building. If you don't get over here and figure out what's going on, I'm calling the bomb squad.
Oh my gosh.
It was
this is serious.
It was the guy next door, smoke detector.
Oh, you're kidding.
And they were out of town.
Oh no, so the
they
neighbor
didn't
was
care that it was chirping, and the person who heard it, they thought it was the beeping of a bomb.
Oh my gosh.
Now, I hope this is not something you ever ever have to deal with.
That's
But
extreme.
it just speaks to the fact that so many people disable their smoke alarms because there's a lot of systems out there that just taking a dead battery out, just whacking it, doesn't make it stop because it's supposed to be there saying, I need to work, you need to fix me. You won't have that, I need to work, you need to fix me, when you own First Alert. 10-year battery, 10-year warranty, top quality, and it even starts to warn you when it's getting to the end of its shelf life. And since these products, whether you buy a great brand or a mediocre one, have a 10-year shelf life, just stop for a moment and think, do you know the shelf life of the ones in your home, and how long have you been in that home, and how old is that home? You talk about something that is a necessity in life, getting it at a great price and getting a better quality product so that you don't disable them. It is truly the smart way to go. Today, it's buy one, get one half off of what you will find anywhere else. Today, even though they're on sale and flex, we're not limiting quantities. So if you need 4, if you need 6, if you have a big sprawling house and you need 8 or 10, you're getting $10 off every single set. We're giving you flex pay, so it becomes really affordable to get the 2-pack or the 4-pack that you need home. They're easy to mount and install, and you even get to program with just the touch of a couple of buttons. Let the unit know where in the house it is, so when it goes off, it will announce what room it has a problem in. I think that's a great added bonus.
It's really, really brilliant. So you're getting all of the cues that you need, that audible cue with that spoken language telling you where the problem is and what it is. It's telling you if it's smoke or if it's carbon monoxide, because this is your all-in-one do-it-all device. It's also blinking. That LED light flashes, and then you hear that siren that rings as well with those sweeping tones, so more people will be able to hear it. If you don't know you have a problem, it's harder and harder to get out of your house. So many of us have been touched by home fires. I was talking to Suzanne Runyon the other day. She lost 2 family members in a home fire. Adam and Chelsea Freeman had a home fire. It hits closer to many of us than we might even realize. And this is that one simple step that you can take to preserve the lives of the people that you love and preserve your home, to be able to call the authorities with enough time to get everybody out. Home fires double every 30 seconds, so your entire home could be engulfed in flames in as little as 5 minutes.
And look at that last line. A working smoke alarm can double your chances of survival.
Absolutely.
Double the amount of time you have to get the dogs, get the cats, wake the kids, and get out. So it's a necessity product, guys. If you don't know the age of your smoke detectors, do yourself, do your family a favor.